Hi all, welcome back to Python for Data Science tutorial on Pilgrim. This session is on creating and handling user-defined functions in Python. So what is a function? Function is a set of statements that takes inputs and performs a specific task. And why do we need function? The idea of using function is to club together some commonly or repeatedly done tasks together, and we make a function so that instead of writing the same code again and again for different inputs, we can call the function. Let's take an example. Let's say we need to compute the sum of two numbers. So we have two variables a and b. Let me assign the same with values, say 10 and 20. If I want to compute the sum of a and b, let me put that within a print statement so that it displays the sum of a and b. So this is going to compute the sum of 10 and 20, and I'm getting the output as 30. So if I want to compute the sum of two numbers, wherever I'm intending to perform the task, I need to repeat these statements. To avoid this, we make use of the function concept. So once we put these statements within a function, wherever you intend to compute the sum of numbers, two numbers, you just have to make a call to that respective function by its name. So let's see how to create a function. To create a function in Python, use the keyword def, specify your function name. So let's call our function as add. If your function takes any arguments or parameters, you can specify the same here within the parenthesis. Use a colon operator. Whatever statements your function is going to perform, you can specify that here. So in our case, we are going to compute the sum of two numbers. So let's write the statements corresponding to that. So let's take the inputs from the user. So we'll be making use of the input method for the same. So let's take again the variables as a and b. So I'll say input, enter a number. Now you know this input will be in the form of a string, so you will need to typecast this to integer. Same way I'll do for the variable b. So let me just copy paste this statement. So I have my a and b now. Now I'll use a print statement to display the sum of a and b. So let me say sum of, then I'll print the value of a, then the statement and the value of b is. Now let it print the sum of a and b. So now I'm done with the function definition. So whatever statement that comes after your function, you can specify with this indentation. So once you have created your function, to activate your function or to put your function to action, you need to invoke the same, or you need to call your function. So how do we do that? For that, use the function name and use the parenthesis. If your function is taking any arguments, you can specify that within this parenthesis. We'll see about function working with arguments in our next session. So as of now, there are no arguments to a function, so let's leave this empty. So now we have created our function add and we are invoking the same. So one statement is enough to invoke this function. So wherever you want to perform the addition of two numbers, you just have to make a call to this function. You don't have to repeat these statements. So that's the advantage of using function concept. So if you run this, so it's asking me to enter a number. So let me give 12. One more input, so 10. So you can see your output here. Sum of 12 and 10 is 22. So this is how we create and we invoke a user-defined function in Python. We'll see more about functions in a coming session. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share, comment and subscribe. And please don't forget to tap the bell icon. You'll get notified whenever we upload our new videos. Thank you.